Any second now, the 2 million follower mark will come out. Will be born. Together with the Miss World Philippines 2026 crowd. Yeah, papaansan their reviews natin. Ito ang mga, this is how diverse and beautiful Filipinas are, guys. Of course, Mindoro, dyan ang tama raw, right? Singapore, of course, that's a garden city. Garden city. Hawaii, of course, and dyan ang Waikiki. Aloha! Hawaii! Hawaii. So, dito tayo makikipagkwentuhan while we're waiting. Pagod na mga ladies, pero energy pa rin yan. Excited. Sige, doon muna tayo sa harapan. Balik tayo dito sa kanila mamaya. Sa harapan tayo.